Hi everyone, my name is Wallace from Dreamit Real Solutions. We are a digital marketing company where our greatest strength is in SEO, and we will have a short video like this from time to time, so please stay tuned. Hi, today we are going to talk about why your business should go online. As you know, there's 4.5 billion active internet users worldwide, and Google processes 6.5 billion search each and every day. And also, people spend about 6 to 7 hours every day in the internet. That is why the business should go online. Did you know that over the past couple of months, the traffic increased from 20 to 40%, and sadly due to the coronavirus outbreak. And that is why the business should go online even more. Like it or not, this is the trend, and in the future we will going to share more and more video about the internet marketing, about the SEO, about the website, about the social medias, and please stay tuned. We'll see you soon. Bye. Hi. 4.5 billion active user internet. Active internet user.